Good morning, everybody. Where are we today?
Provincetown.
Provincetown what?
Massachusetts.
Provincetown, Massachusetts. And we are hitting the coolest museum here, I believe, right? It's the Pilgrim Monument and Provincetown Museum. And if I can spin the camera without the sun, oh wow, look at the sun right behind it. How cool. Anyway, that's it. We're gonna be climbing up there today. The weather is actually quite beautiful, so I'm not concerned about the heat, but I am concerned about the steps a little bit. So we're going to take you literally step by step to get there. Have you done your exercises?
Not yet.
Some little bit of stretching. Wow, 1620. That was way before the Sanderson sisters. 1693. Just a little bit of info if you want to read. So there is an admission fee. And yes, you can go to the top. Series of 60 ramps and 116 stairs. Whew. First stop, listen to the bells. It's 10 o'clock. That means up.
Tower time.
It's tower time? Sounds like a cartoon. You. There. There's a plaque. Must mean it's important. If I can get out of the way. The original door stone from home of Governor Thomas Prince at Eastham, Mass, 1646. Wow. But first, that view. Holy cow. 2. I'm not counting the whole time. These are what the ramps look like. That makes it a little easier, I think. First window stop. Wow. We're already up pretty high. Society of Mayflower Descendants. It does. It reminds me of it. Window check. Our next destination. Not sure if you can see, but right out there are the dunes, and we're going to be taking a dunes tour tonight. Can't wait to show you guys. I'll stretch. And there's the big sign. We did it. We gotta get our sticker. It is windy. Wow. Wow, look at all the boats. There's the pier, the marina. Wow. What a view. Is it windy enough for you? It's like the Empire State Building windy. Beautiful. Look at the water out there. Oh, I think that's our hotel right there. Yeah. I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys. Provincetown Inn. Sorry for the shaking, but it is really windy. All right, this is me. Supermodel hair. Chicardo. At the beach. Yeah. It is super windy. Look at you. Here's another gorgeous view of the beach in Provincetown. Wow, that church. And another view of the dunes that are right there. In this corner, walk all the way around so that you can see how big it is. Sorry for the shaking. It is super windy. Here we go. It's not very big. You know what? Since I like to count. 3, 4, 5. 10 steps. 10 steps as a square. And we're back. going down. What does it look like down there, you ask? Oh. Are you gonna look over? We did it! Yay! Kiddo, we did it. That wasn't terrible. It was actually quite lovely. They still are requiring masks indoors, so wear your mask the whole way up, even out on the platform. They're not requiring it outside, so that's why we took ours off. But it was lovely. My suggestion is go in the morning when it's cooler, because through the day, you're hiking up 116 steps and 60 ramps, you know? It's an effort, but on the way down, nothing. Like you just, gravity takes care of itself. So guys, thank you so much for joining us for our video to clear up to Pilgrim Monument. Thank you again. If you like us, please subscribe to our channel. Look at my hair, a little windblown. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below if you have ever been to Pilgrim Monument. Let me know if you conquered and got the sticker. Until next time, guys, see you soon. We got it.